Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I got another video for you guys today. Today, I want to talk about FTX, Binance, Crypto.com, and Tectonic, and what's going on in the markets. So, first off, the markets are not happy. We're going to start off with FTX here. FTX has tanked a substantial 31 point, basically 32% in the past 2 days. And it is a big drama happening between Binance and FTX, and it's doing quite some damage to the crypto market, unfortunately. Here's the crypto heat map. I mean, lots of downward action for us today, and I think potentially for this week. It's hard to say, but there's a bunch of drama going on back and forth between them. Um, Binance is basically dumping $1 billion worth of FTX token because FTX is lobbying against crypto exchanges, and they don't want to be a part of it. So they're dumping FTX token, and it's kind of causing a trickle effect on the overall market. But Binance is really holding up great. Binance is a strong coin. And how about Crypto.com? Crypto.com is holding up pretty great as well. We are bouncing off of this formation, which is great. We have not broken back down here, and I love to see that. If Bitcoin and the entire market continues to keep going down, I wouldn't be surprised if we do come and test this area. However, we did just wick into it. We did not close inside of it. As long as we're not closing inside of here, I'm not that worried. As long as we're not breaking down below the 9 cent region, we are a-okay. I don't see us breaking down below 9 cents unless Bitcoin wants to decide to find a new bottom. But let's talk about Tonic as well, because if you watched my previous videos, I had these three levels drawn. And, well, if you look closely, we are testing the final level. It is the last chance for Tectonic right now before it goes back into this downward formation. And I don't want to see that, but there is a possibility of that if Bitcoin continues to go down, if the market continues to get pulled down by this exchange drama that's going on. It's pretty crazy that two individuals with two companies that are basically leading the market, you know, basically a company that's smaller than Crypto.com and then a company that's 3 times, maybe even 5 times the size of Crypto.com, just doing this right now and pulling the liquidity out of the market because everyone is scared and Binance is causing a bank run on FTX. But so on Tectonic, guys, we are testing this area. If we break below this area of 6 zeros and about, I would say 6 zeros and 1350, if we break below that, I'm going to be a little bit bearish on Tectonic until we have a run up on Bitcoin. Now, I don't think that Bitcoin is going to trade downwards for a long period of time. I think that uh, leading up to the halvening, 365 days leading up to the halvening, I believe we're going to have an increase in price. I believe that the hype will come back. This is just a little bit of fear. And, speaking of fear, let's look at the Bitcoin fear and greed index. And right now we're at 31, guys. Last time I showed this chart a few days back, we were just at 30. The greed has actually increased, which is quite perplexing, actually. There's a lot more interest with the shorts. People are shorting much more. And also with the longs, people are longing much more as of 2 days ago because it was a volatile move, which is very intriguing to think about. So, we're retesting this formation with Crow. Tonic is playing with this last level. And Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, we've broken out of this formation. We are retesting it right now. We are retesting it. I don't want to see us break below 18,500. If we break below 18,500, then I think the market's kind of coming down with it. I think that Crow will probably break back into this formation around 10 cents, which is not the end of the world, guys, because we DCA and we HODL. It's not the end of the world. But I like to just kind of see what's going on in the markets. Sometimes open up some longs or shorts. I did that last night over on Femex. If you'd like to do that as well, you can click the link in our description, get up to $4,100 in free trading bonuses to open up a short so we make money when the market goes down, or to open up a long to make more money when the market goes up. Not financial advice, but if you're an experienced trader and you want to try that out, go click that link below. So we're retesting this on Crow, and I want to look at the months of November again for Bitcoin. So the last November we were down 23%. Previous November we were up 65%. Out of the last 7 Novembers, 3 of them were bearish and 4 of them were bullish. We have a slightly higher percentage to have a bullish month of November, especially if I were to pull the data from previous years before, but those are kind of more volatile years, so I like to kind of cut that out because it was kind of given that Bitcoin was going to go up before people knew about it, and just the hype really happened like back in 2012, 13, 14. But so what does this mean for this month? That last month we had a 23% loss. I think that there is a chance that this could cause an event where we come down a little bit. But however, people are scared. People are scared on crypto Twitter. Crypto Twitter is a great place to see the sentiment of the market literally flip on a dime. Just flip immediately with all this drama. It's like a echo chamber of drama when it comes to crypto. It's pretty interesting. However, what does this mean for this month? Right now, on this month, we're down 8%. We're down 8%. I'll measure it out. Yeah, 8.33% so far for this month. But it's the beginning of the month. It's the beginning. We have plenty of time left. We have plenty of time left, guys. If we are bearish, I don't see a downside more than 23%. I don't think that happens for this month. I think that we need to trade sideways. There's a lot of bullish things on the horizon for crypto. This is kind of just pantomiming the idea of when the Luna C drop happened. People are just putting that towards what's going on right now and thinking, "Oh, FTX is tanking just like how Luna was tanking." And people think that's going to cause a huge crypto crash like how it did right here back in June, leading up to June when Luna depegged, basically. But I don't see that happening. I don't think that FTX is going insolvent. It's a gigantic exchange. It is a very, very big exchange. And I don't think that that's happening, guys. I don't think it's going insolvent. I think there's some whale games going on, and there's more that meets the eye. I think CZ from Binance is trying to protect his company and also taking advantage of this situation and trying to bolster his company. And I think that FTX was lobbying against their competitors, and I think that that's bad. And I think that, that's kind of, I think he kind of deserves what's happening if he was trying to really lobby against his competitors and lobby against the people, really. Like, I think that it's kind of was well deserved. But for Crypto.com and Tectonic, well, it's as simple as if we don't break below, then I don't think, if we don't break below for Bitcoin and we don't break below like 18,500, we're not going to break below this bottom level. But if we do break below this bottom level for Tectonic, I will be a little bit bearish, guys. I know you don't want to hear that, but if we break below 18,500 on Bitcoin, it's going to bring the entire market down. It's just the way it goes. Just look at this. Bitcoin's down 5.31%. Everything else is bleeding except for Link, but Link is kind of an outlier. It does some strange things in bear markets. And obviously, these stable coins are up because people are pulling their money out of the cryptos and putting them into the stable coins. But when Bitcoin goes down, guys, and there's panic in the markets, everything else comes down, and that's just the way it is. But I don't see this happening for a long time, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna leave you off on some hopium here. 365 days until the halvening, we're gonna get some hype, guys. We're gonna get some hype. People are gonna start putting money into crypto, coming back to crypto. There's gonna be articles starting to be written about the Bitcoin halvenings. People will come back to crypto and pump crypto.com and pump the altcoins, and it's gonna be fun again. There's gonna be volatility, and it's gonna be great. Well, guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you want me to talk about any specific coin or any ideas, and I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Bye.